Alright, so today I'm going to try this Black Magic no scrub wheel cleaner on these junkyard Volks. I've not tried this one before. I did a video before about the Armor All that worked really well in my opinion. I thought I'd try something different and just see how it worked out. Comparable price, so I thought I'd give it a shot, kind of see what works, what doesn't, and give my opinion. So let's do this. Well, I gave it a few passes. I used this little scrub brush here. I got this at a estate sale the other day. Also the toilet brush that I used earlier also came from an estate sale. They're all part of this big lot. So the toilet brush fell apart pretty quickly. God knows how old it was. It did nothing. Using this helped a little bit. I gotta tell you, I'm not a fan of this. This is not good. No scrub. I scrubbed the hell out of it. Nothing happened. I can see some stuff here. I'm getting where I really spent a lot of time on the inside of those spokes. I'm getting a little bit, but as a whole, no. I cannot recommend this. This is not a good product, in my opinion. I think the Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner was much better performing. Yeah, this is a fail for me, man. Y'all take care.